Hi friends, let me show you these racks that I received for the reviewing purposes. These are racks that you can use with your existing storage bins. These are perfect for getting the bins in the ceiling, like overhead, okay? You get the actual racks. Let me show you. The accessories, different kinds of accessories to install them. Okay. All of them with the accessories. Perfect. And of course, you want to put them in the ceiling and the bins will be here. So you will install them, giving enough space for the bins to fit here, the upper part of the bin, and they will hang from the ceiling. So you have to be very careful to install them at the right distance so the bins can freely get in, but not too much distance that the bins will fail. So these ones are great because you don't have to buy new or special bins. These will work with any existing bin that of course have this upper part that can hang from something like this, okay? So we're going to test them. Hi friends, we're going to install the racks to be able to put these bins on them, okay? These are, as you can see, regular IKEA bins, and you have to make sure that the distance between the racks allow the bins to hang but not to fall down, okay? So we are going to really measure this so to be able to install them perfectly, okay? As you can see, now we have the racks installed. I am going to test them and show you with this plastic bin. You put it on top of the racks and it flows easily, and you can leave it there in the ceiling with whatever you want to put there, and unclog your warehouse, your garage, whatever space in your home that is a mess. You can fix it with this system. Let me show you how it looks from the side. The bin just flows easily in the racks. It has some ventilation on top, and it makes it really easy to store things that maybe you're not going to use during a few months. Maybe Christmas stuff, all the Christmas tree stuff, things like that. Things that can be stored for a few months, maybe for a few weeks, and that will make a mess anywhere else in your home. So perfect. Really recommend these racks. Thank you.